This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deborah Stone. Beautifully updated condo. This one has it all, complete with all furnishings. Open floor plan, tiled floors throughout, kitchen upgraded with 42 inches cabinets, center island and all appliances, including washer and dryer. The bathroom has newer lights, vanity and tiled shower. The master has an adjustable queen-size bed and TV too, and second bedroom has queen bed to accommodate more guests. It's on the first floor, so no stairs, parking is close, private beach access, pool, tennis, shuffleboard and more. Fully furnished down to the silverware. Just pack your suitcase and move in. Great for those wanting to live with access to beach, full-time or part-time, winter home or for an investment opportunity. Attention, investors, turnkey property. Low condo fees. Men? Rentals 2 weeks rare find, Oceanfront Complex with non-oceanfront condo, just short stroll to beach. Enjoy the beach at sunrise or grab your chair and sit on the sand with the water refreshing you all day. Your paradise is here. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Stone at 321-308-0382.